I decided that I wanted to turn myself into a leprechaun. This is already about to be bad. Starting to look like a tiger or something. What do leprechauns say? Give me the gold. I want your money. Whoa. Hey guys, it's me again. What's happening? What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Hey guys, what's happening? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name's Alexandria, Sam, Samantha, whatever. Today, as you can see from the title, I decided that I wanted to turn myself into a leprechaun. And the reason why I decided this is because I did my Brat style transformation video, which seemed to be like a hit for my channel. And I just was like, what else could I transform myself into? It's like, it's not really Halloween, so there's not many options. But then I remembered St. Patrick's Day is coming up. I ain't seen nobody turn themselves into a leprechaun. So I'm here to do it. Excuse my appearance. I look a mess right now, but it is what it is. That's not what we're here to talk about, all right? If you guys haven't already, please do myself a favor and click the subscribe button down below. We getting real close to 500 subscribers, so I'm excited. Please do me that favor and subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. But basically, I got a couple things from Michael's and Walmart, and I'm gonna try to make myself into the best leprechaun I can. Honestly, I waited to the last minute. Today's the 15th, St. Patrick's Day is the 17th. It's gonna have to be like a real improvise because I don't really have everything I need to do this, but it's okay. We're gonna do the best we can. I am drinking a little Corona. Drink responsibly, 21 and older. But you know, I'm just trying to get the party started. I wish I had food coloring for it so it could be like festive, but it is what it is. But go ahead, and before we even get started, just give this video a like, because you know you like it. You know you already like the intro, so just like the video. I'm gonna go ahead and put my hair in a ponytail. Unfortunately, I could not find any wigs for this, so we're gonna have to do the best we can. I mean, and I wasn't trying to spend hella point on this video because, let's be real, I'm not getting paid on YouTube yet. So, you know, I'm starting off with some face paint. I'm gonna put a picture of the leprechaun that I'm like trying to achieve, the look I'm trying to achieve, so you guys can get an idea. Wait, how do I even use face paint? Because I don't really know. Does it give me instructions? Because I definitely need some. Okay, it did not give me instructions. Cool. I think it's like pretty much you just put it on your face, right? Yeah, hopefully. I've been trying to, all right, so here's the face paints that I got. I'm gonna try and make myself more orangey, I guess, because the leprechaun that I showed you guys is like an orange leprechaun. So I'm going in with the orange paint and just spreading this all over my face. This is already about to be bad. Honestly, if you guys are looking to have friends, hit me up, because none of my friends are about to be friends with me after this video. And that's facts. I think I'm gonna mix a little bit of the white too, so it's not super just orange. Oh, by the way, I have a mirror over here to my right here. So that's why I'm looking over here as well. I'm back. Got my damp beauty blender that's dirty, but it's cool. And we're just gonna spread this out around my, don't really spread like makeup, I can tell you that much. And it's already drying. Oh no. Oh no. This is a fail. Oh no. You guys. I didn't really think this out, so God bless. I'm gonna fast forward through this because it's gonna be a lot of blending for me. A whole lot of blending. I clearly did not think this through. I'm about to get messy with it. It's not looking too good. It's not looking too good. It's starting to look like a tiger or something. I think I'm gonna add a little bit of my foundation so that way it can kind of even out a little bit. I don't know. I'm panicking, guys. I'm panicking. You know when you like have an idea but you didn't really think about it? So this is kind of what happened to me. I was like, ooh, I'm gonna turn myself into a leprechaun. And then I was like, okay, cool, let me go to Michael's and get some stuff. And then I was like, wait, when I was in Michael's, I was like, what am I getting? I don't know. I really don't know. I'm only using a tad bit of my foundation because Estee Lauder is not cheap, boo. And we ain't trying to use up all our shiz on this. This is making it a little bit more even, I feel like. And if it's not perfect, it's fine. I mean, I ain't never seen no perfect looking leprechaun before. All right, that's good enough, I think. So now I'm gonna move on to doing my beard and my eyebrows. Now, I wanted to use actual like hair, but they didn't have hair, so I bought feather. I'm gonna try to glue it on like a beard, basically. And I'm gonna use eyelash glue. Basically, I'm just gonna put the glue on where I want the beard and mustache. Okay, my glue just got like stuck, so that's cool. Spread it out a little bit. All right, now we're just gonna place some feathers. Oh my goodness. Now I gotta do my eyebrows. This is gonna be fun getting off. I feel like I should put a little white under my eyes so it brightens the under eye a little bit, you know, like concealer does. I look like an orange Santa Claus. All right, I'm gonna take my beauty blender and kind of dab in that white so it's not as bright. Dab daddy. So I told you guys they didn't have any wigs. They also didn't have any hats left, so I'm gonna try to make it work with what I got. I'm gonna put this do-rag on so it kind of hides the braids. Put this hat on. Oh, I'm starting to look like a motherfucking leprechaun. Y'all can't tell me I'm not, though. I don't want the hat to be off to the side. I want it to be in the middle like a regular hat. But of course they got this hoe glued on here. I'm just gonna have to put it in the middle. You see how it's like not really even, but I want the hat in the middle. I'm gonna change into the shirt I bought and put a little bow tie on, and then we'll be pretty much done. I'll be right back. All right, guys, put my blazer on, my shirt on. I got this other headband because I couldn't find a bow tie that has a bow on it, but it has this gold bow that's in the way. So I'm gonna cut the gold bow off. Ah! Oh my God, I almost killed myself. All right, bow, ready? Bada bing, bada bang. Yo, girl, is a leprechaun. Yeah! Ay. What do leprechauns say? Give me the gold. I want your money. The luck of the Irish. Happy St. Patty's Day. Woohoo! I'm a leprechaun, I'm a leprechaun, I'm a leprechaun. Yeah! Cheers! Oh my God. All right, guys. I'm a leprechaun. I sound like Mickey Mouse. Well, I did it. I turned myself into a leprechaun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you're not subscribed by now, then you need to run me my subscribe, dog. Because this is ridiculous. I've been really into getting into fun videos again like this. So if you guys have any ideas, leave them down below. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye. My friends are gonna hate me. Oh, thumbnail. What? I think I'm supposed to be drinking Irish beer, not freaking Mexican beer, but whatever.